Hi all, welcome to our channel Job Masters. Today we're going to discuss about OTC cycle, order to cash cycle. Here we need to follow the steps. Step 1, sales order creation, and we can use the transaction codes. For creation of the sales order, VH01. For change mode of the sales order, VH02. Display mode of the sales order, VH03. And at the time of creating the sales order, there is no accounting impact. There is no accounting impact. Let's go to the step 2, delivery to the customer. We can use the transaction codes VL01N for delivery creation and VL02N for change mode of the delivery and VL03N for display mode of the delivery. Here system will generate the accounting entry. Debit COGS and credit stock. So this entry will be generated at the time of delivery to the customer. Debit COGS account and credit stock account. These accounts will be fetching from the OBYC settings, which is nothing but integration between FI and MM. So let's move to the next step. Step 3, billing document. So for billing document, we can create by using the transaction code VF01 and change VF02 and display VF03. At the time of billing document, there is a accounting entry. Debit customer, credit sales account. So this entry will be generated at the time of billing document generated. So next step, we'll go to the next step, process the incoming payment. The payment which we are going to receive from the customer by using the transaction code F-28. At the time of processing the incoming payment, there is a accounting entry. Debit incoming bank account or cash account and credit customer account. So this entry will be generated at the time of process the incoming payment. So let's go to the SAP system and we'll see all the step by step details in the SAP system. Go to the SAP system. Let's log in the SAP system. Step 1, we'll create the sales order. Go to transaction code VA01 and we need to give the input selection parameters: order type, sales organization, distribution channel, and division. After giving the input selection parameters, press enter. Give the input fields. Give the sold to party, ship to party. Just press enter. So in below there is a tabs: sales, item overview, item details, ordering party, procurement, shipping, reason for rejections. These are all the optional fields. Based on the information available, we can update all the parameters. And let's come to the bottom. There is a all items in line item level. We can give the material and order quantity 1, how much quantity we can deliver it to the customer. Let's take an example, order quantity 1, and whatever the required parameters we can give and press enter and click on save. So would you like to save or edit the incomplete document? Yes, we can complete the incompletion document. Click on edit. So whatever the missing data, system will show the Incoterms, gross weight, net weight, and Incoterms. Just double click on and on the missing data. Or else we can go to the header information. We can directly give that whatever the missing data. There is a tabs under the header data, sales. We can check whatever the required parameters and we can update those details and click on shipping tab and we'll verify whatever the missing details. And let's move to the billing document. Now we can see Incoterms. We can give FOB and as the Incoterms, just press enter. So freight is redetermined. Just continue. Just enter and try to click on save now. Just save. Okay. Click on save the sales order. So still there is a error messages, incompletion data. Just go back. Go to the change mode of the sales order VH02. If any incompletion information, we can go to the change mode of the sales order VH02 and give the order number and press enter and go to the menu bar and click on edit. There is a incompletion log. Just click on incompletion log. Still there is some information missing in the sales order. Hence it is pop up the incompletion log. Just double click on gross weight and update the gross weight. Just enter and go back. Now we can see document is complete. So once we can see document is complete, there is no incompletion log and there is no missing data. And click on save the sales order. Now we can successfully save the sales order. Double click on that message and copy the sales order number. Now let's moving to the delivery to the customer. Step 2. Before delivery to the customer, we need to verify whether the stock is available or not available. To verify the stock, let's go to the display mode of the material master. Let's go to the SAP system. Go to transaction code MM03. Give the material. Press enter. Select all views and click on continue. And give the input parameters plant, sales organization and distribution channel and click on continue. And go to the accounting view 1 and verify the whether stock is available or not available. Now in this particular material, our stock is available. So now stock is available. Now we can able to deliver it to the customer. Let's go to the next step, delivery to the customer. Go back. Now we'll go to the delivery to the customer. Go to transaction code VL01N and give the shipping point and give the order number by default coming here. Just press enter. Now we can check whether all the fields are updated or not updated. Let's verify. So delivery quantity 1 is there, and we need to give picked quantity 1 based on the delivery quantity, and we can give any required parameters. Storage location is required parameter. We just update storage location. Just press enter and click on save the delivery document. After giving all the required or important fields, then click on save the delivery document. Now we have successfully saved the delivery document and go back. Let's try to see whether accounting document generated or not generated. Let's go to the display mode of the delivery document VL03N. Give the outbound delivery document number. Press enter. Now let's go to the document flow. Click on document flow. Now if you can see here, there is a picking request completed and delivery being processed. There is no accounting document. So why accounting document is not generated? So let's go back. Go to the change mode of the delivery document and let's try to find out why accounting document is not generated. VL02N and give the outbound delivery. Press enter. Here there is a option post goods issue. Once we click on post goods issue, system will generate the accounting document. Let's click on post goods issue in the change mode of the delivery document. Now delivery has been saved. Again, just go back and go to display mode of the delivery document VL03N and give the delivery document number. Press enter. Then click on document flow. Now we can see goods issue, delivery to the customer. Select the delivery to the customer, accounting document number and click on display document. Now we can observe here there is a moment type 601 and storage location FG and plant T10. Based on the moment type 601, it will be delivering to the customer. So now we can observe we already delivered to the customer. So just click on accounting documents. Now we can see the accounting entry, debit COGS and credit stock FG, finished goods. So the same entry has been generated at the time of delivery to the customer as per our Excel sheet. So the next step, we'll move to the next step. Step 3, billing to the customer. So billing document. Let's go to the SAP system. Go to transaction code VF01. Press enter. By default, delivery document number is coming. So there is a billing type. So in real time, based on the billing type, there is a different billing types are there. and we can select the billing type and we can process the delivery document. So now here, so as per the SAP, so we are just giving the delivery document number. If we can process by default as per the settings, by default it will fetch the billing type and it will post the billing document. So after giving the delivery document number, click on save. So now billing document has been saved. So let's take the billing document, go back, go to the display mode of the billing document, VF03, give the billing document, just press enter and click on accounting overview and observe the accounting entry, debit customer and credit sales. If we can see Excel sheet, the same entry, debit customer and credit sales account, has been generated. So after billing, so we can process the incoming payment from FI end. So let's go to the SAP system. We can process the incoming payment, create a session and go to transaction code F-28 and we can give the input parameters, document date, posting date and document type. By default it is coming here based on the transaction code and company code and currency and reference number and header text. So based on the information available, we can update that respective information. If it is a optional, either we can give or not giving, system will allow us to post a respective document. So let's coming to the next one. There is a bank data. So in bank data, we need to select the incoming bank account or cash account. Let's go to the F4 option and select the incoming bank account or cash account. And there is a amount. So if we know the amount, we can update the amount. If we don't know the amount, we can put 1 rupee and value date. We can select value date, current date. So text, it's a optional field. We can update or not update. System will allow us to post this incoming payment document. And next field, customer account, open item selection. Enter, we need to select customer account. Go to the F4, select the customer and click on process open items. Select all items and deactivate the items. Now we can select which invoice we wanted to process a incoming payment. So come down. So the latest invoice based on the document number 4010, which we have already posted, 4010 and document date 6/1/2026. So it is available here and we can double click on it. So click on overview. Now here it is showing 1 rupee. Just double click on that line item, put star. By default it will fetch the amount from corresponding line item. Put star and enter. It is coming by default. Click on overview and go to the menu bar and click on document and click on simulate. Now we are getting the debit and credit transaction. Debit, incoming bank account or cash account, and credit customer account. Let's post this document. Just click on post this document. We have successfully posted this customer incoming payment and go to the menu bar and click on document and click on display mode of the document and we can see that display mode of the document. Debit bank account or cash account and credit customer account. whatever we have updated in Excel sheet, and we can see in the SAP system. So we can compare this information, and then we can go to the menu bar, and we can see this particular payment processed against which customer invoice. So we can check that information, go to the menu bar and click on environment and click on payment usage, and here we can see the respective information. This particular payment just we have processed against this invoice RV document type, which we have processed through billing. So this is the document we can see under environment, both invoice document and payment document, and whatever we have processed and successfully we have completed. And this is the OTC cycle, order to payment, incoming payment. Looking for in-depth job focused IT training, please reach out to Job Masters Technologies and take the next step in your career. If you found this video useful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel.